If the Earth had a reset button, it's already been pressed 5 times. 99% of every species that ever lived is gone. This is the timeline of our planet's most violent deaths. Welcome back to Extinct Earth. I'm John. Today, we're explaining the 5 mass extinctions simply, breaking down the cataclysms that cleared the stage for the world we live in today. 440 million years ago, the first Great Reset happened. The culprit? Global cooling. A massive ice age locked the world in a freezer, sucking the water from the shallow seas and killing 85% of marine life. Next came the late Devonian. This wasn't an impact, it was a slow suffocation. Algal blooms fueled by new land plants sucked the oxygen out of the oceans, turning the seas into a graveyard for armored giants. 75% of life vanished. 250 million years ago, Earth almost died for good. The Permian extinction, massive volcanism in Siberia triggered runaway global warming and acid rain. 96% of all species were erased. It is the closest we have ever come to a total blackout. It took 10 million years for life to even begin to recover from the Permian. It was a biological desert, but the survivors of this era were the ones who would eventually become the masters of the next, the dinosaurs. 200 million years ago, the supercontinent Pangaea began to tear itself apart. Tectonic violence and extreme climate shifts wiped out the giant amphibians and early reptiles, leaving the stage wide open for the age of the dinosaurs to truly begin. 66 million years ago, the most famous reset arrived from the sky. A massive asteroid slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula with the force of 1 billion atomic bombs. The debris blocked the sun, the temperature plummeted, and the dinosaurs' reign ended in an afternoon. The impact didn't just kill what was under it, it created an impact winter that lasted for years. Without sunlight, the plants died. Without plants, the giants starved. But in the shadows, our small furry ancestors were waiting for their turn. When we look at these 5 events, a pattern emerges. Life is incredibly fragile, but it's also impossibly stubborn. Every mass extinction was a catastrophe, but every one of them also acted as an evolutionary filter, forcing life to get smarter, faster, and more adaptable. But the most unsettling thought? Some scientists believe we are entering the 6th mass extinction right now. For the first time in 4 billion years, the cause isn't an asteroid or a volcano. It's us. The question is, will we be the filter or the one being filtered? We are the biological legacy of 5 apocalypses. We are the survivors of fire, ice, and ash. And perhaps, we are the only species that has ever had the chance to choose how our story ends. Which ancient era should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this dive into destruction fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe to Extinct Earth. We'll see you in the next epoch.